Science has always been the driving force behind human progress. From unraveling the secrets of the universe to saving countless lives through medical breakthroughs, scientists have paved the way for the modern world. Today, we're counting down the top 10 greatest scientists of all time, men and women whose work has forever changed the way we understand life, the universe, and everything in between. Let's begin. Kicking off our list is James Clerk Maxwell, the Scottish physicist whose work set the stage for modern physics. Born in 1831 in Edinburgh, Maxwell was a child prodigy. By the age of 14, he had already written his first scientific paper. Maxwell's most famous contribution was his unification of electricity, magnetism, and light through his electromagnetic theory, summarized in his 4 elegant equations. This discovery revealed that light itself is an electromagnetic wave, laying the groundwork for innovations like radios, televisions, and even the internet. Albert Einstein once said, "The work of James Clerk Maxwell changed the world forever. Without Maxwell, our modern technological world wouldn't exist." Coming in at number 9 is Stephen Hawking, one of the most brilliant theoretical physicists of our time. Born in 1942 in Oxford, England, Hawking faced immense challenges when he was diagnosed with ALS at the age of 21. The disease left him paralyzed, but his mind soared beyond physical limitations. Hawking's groundbreaking work on black holes showed that these mysterious objects emit radiation, what we now call Hawking radiation. He also contributed to our understanding of the Big Bang and the nature of the cosmos. His book, A Brief History of Time, became a global bestseller, making complex scientific ideas accessible to millions. Hawking's life was a testament to the power of perseverance and the limitless potential of the human mind. At number 8 is Niels Bohr, the Danish physicist who revolutionized our understanding of the atom. Born in 1885 in Copenhagen, Bohr grew up in an intellectually stimulating environment, with his father being a physiology professor. Bohr's most significant contribution was his Bohr model of the atom, which introduced the idea that electrons orbit the nucleus in defined energy levels. This breakthrough was pivotal to the development of quantum mechanics. Bohr also played a key role in advancing nuclear physics and was part of the Manhattan Project during World War II, helping to develop nuclear energy. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1922 for his work on the structure of atoms. His legacy remains central to our understanding of the quantum world. At number 7 is Charles Darwin, the man who changed our understanding of life on Earth. Born in 1809 in England, Darwin initially studied medicine and theology before his passion for the natural world led him to the famous voyage aboard the HMS Beagle. During his journey to the Galapagos Islands, Darwin observed finches with varying beak shapes. These observations inspired his theory of evolution by natural selection, which he detailed in his groundbreaking book on the origin of species. Darwin proposed that species evolve over time through adaptations to their environments, a concept that sparked both scientific revolutions and societal debates. Today, Darwin's ideas remain the cornerstone of modern biology. At number 6 is Marie Curie, one of the most influential scientists in history and a true pioneer for women in science. Born in Poland in 1867, Curie faced significant barriers as a woman pursuing education. She eventually moved to Paris, where she made her groundbreaking discoveries alongside her husband, Pierre Curie. Marie Curie discovered radioactive elements, polonium and radium, and her work revolutionized medicine, leading to the development of radiation therapy for cancer treatment. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, and remains the only person to win Nobel Prizes in 2 different sciences, physics and chemistry. Curie's legacy inspires generations of scientists to this day. At number 5 is Louis Pasteur, the French scientist whose discoveries have saved millions of lives. Born in 1822, Pasteur revolutionized medicine and microbiology. He developed the process of pasteurization, which kills harmful bacteria in food and drinks, making them safe to consume. Pasteur's work also proved the germ theory of disease, showing that microorganisms cause illnesses. Pasteur created the first vaccines for diseases like rabies and anthrax, and his methods became the foundation for modern immunology. Every time you drink milk or receive a vaccine, you're benefiting from Pasteur's legacy. At number 4 is Nikola Tesla, one of the most visionary inventors of all time. Born in 1856 in modern-day Croatia, Tesla was a genius who foresaw many technologies of the future. Tesla's development of alternating current AC systems revolutionized electricity transmission, making it possible to power homes and cities over long distances. He also invented the Tesla coil, a key component in wireless communication. Tesla dreamed of providing free wireless energy to the world, but his ambitious ideas often clashed with rivals like Thomas Edison. Despite facing financial struggles, Tesla's work laid the foundation for many modern technologies, including X-rays, radar, and even robotics. At number 3 is Galileo Galilei, the father of modern science. Born in 1564 in Italy, Galileo was a polymath who excelled in physics, astronomy, and engineering. He built one of the first telescopes and used it to make monumental discoveries, including the moons of Jupiter, Saturn's rings, and the phases of Venus. His observations provided strong evidence for the heliocentric model, which states that the Earth orbits the Sun. Galileo's ideas brought him into conflict with the Church, and he was tried for heresy. Despite this, Galileo's legacy is one of courage and intellectual independence. At number 2 is Albert Einstein, the genius whose ideas reshaped our understanding of the universe. Born in 1879 in Germany, Einstein overcame struggles in school to become one of the most celebrated scientists of all time. His theory of relativity, encapsulated by the famous equation energy equals mass times speed of light squared, revealed the relationship between energy and mass. Einstein's work explained phenomena like the bending of light around massive objects and formed the basis of modern physics. In 1921, he won the Nobel Prize in Physics for his explanation of the photoelectric effect, which was crucial to the development of quantum mechanics. And finally, at number 1, we have Sir Isaac Newton, the greatest scientist of all time. Born in 1643 in England, Newton's genius spanned physics, mathematics, and astronomy. Newton formulated the laws of motion and universal gravitation, which explained everything from falling apples to planetary motion. His book, Principia Mathematica, is considered one of the most important works in scientific history. In the Principia, Newton laid out his 3 laws of motion, which describe the relationship between a body and the forces acting upon it. Newton also made significant contributions to optics, inventing the reflecting telescope and inventing calculus, and he did all this before the age of 26. His work laid the foundation for modern science, making him a true icon of human achievement. These 10 scientists changed the world through their curiosity, dedication, and brilliance. Their stories remind us of the power of science to transform lives. Who do you think should be on this list? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.